Okay, well, this is not the kind of video I normally would do, but with the coronavirus out there, and today was strange because my wife asked me to pick up hand sanitizer from the store. Okay, no big deal. Well, I went there and there was none. So I guess everybody's trying to get some. It is good to have. Keep your hands clean, whether it's at work, home, wherever you go. We're involved with a lot of different people. We have no idea where they have come from, who they've been in contact with. So it's a very good thing to have it on hand. Well, if you can't buy it at the store, how else are you going to do it? But so I came home and decided, you know what? I'm going to make it. Why not make it? We have these items here at the house, okay? We have rubbing alcohol, aloe vera gel. My wife had this essential oil. It's the peppermint. I looked under the cabana sink, and there happened to be a old soap bottle that had very little in the bottom, so I cleaned it out. All right, it's going to be a perfect thing for it'll be a perfect thing to put the hand sanitizer in, and it's perfect size. You need a funnel, measuring cup, spoon, something to put everything in and mix. My wife even helped me and made a little sign that we're going to put on the bottle so that we know it's the hand sanitizer. The pen, so she wrote it out, and the tape to put it on the bottle. You don't have to go to that extreme, but I like to do a complete job. So that's what it's going to take. So I'm now going to show you how to do this. You're going to watch me do it myself, and then you're going to be able to do it yourself. And I'm 99% sure you have all these items in your house right now. Okay? You don't have to run to the store and do it, but you need to have it on hand. So let's start going through the process. First of all is the quantities of all these items. I'm going to put up there exactly what you're going to put in. You'll put 1/3 of the aloe vera, 2/3 of the rubbing alcohol. You know, you don't have to put a lot, 10, 12 drops of the essential oil. Okay, and then mix it all together in one thing. Then you're going to need a funnel to be able to put it into the bottle that you're going to have your hand sanitizer in. Okay? Well, let's get started. Okay, so what I'm going to do is do the aloe vera first, because it's also a pump. So I can do the 1/3 cup of the aloe vera gel. Now this is good. Have a measuring cup to try to get the correct amount. Personally, I don't believe that not enough of this is going to cause you any problem. I think it's just going to make it nice and smooth on your hands so that you're not just getting all the oil, or so that you're not just getting all the alcohol. Okay. So we have the 1/3 of the aloe vera gel, 1/3 of a cup. Okay, now we're going to do the rubbing alcohol. At your first third of a cup. And your second third of a cup. Okay. Woo! Smell that alcohol. All right. Let's get everything out. Okay, the peppermint, lavender, whatever you have, whatever you would like to smell. Because that's all this is about. Okay. All right, it's not coming out. Let's pull this thing out. All right. Now be careful. I have no idea how we're going to do this, but let's try it. Oh, I think that's 10 drops. Okay. Do it to your liking. All right, let's mix it together. Oh. Just keep mixing it. This way it all blends together. I smell that peppermint. That's a lot of peppermint. That may be more than 10 drops. Just keep mixing until everything blends together. This is just so you have some right away. My wife wanted some now, and so I'm putting it together so that she will have her hand sanitizer because the stores are out. People are buying it up like crazy. But I bet you have these items in your house. You just mix them together and you have your own hand sanitizer. Okay, you don't have to have hand sanitizer. You can use soap and water when you're home, but maybe that's what you want, to have it readily available. So if you're touching things, the mail, anything that's come in from outside, because you've already done scrubbing in your house with Lysol and other items to be able to make sure your house is clean and free of any viruses. And then you can have this. You could put it in a smaller bottle to take with you in your car. Clean your hands before you leave your car. When you're going, you're touching money or you're touching other items all day, you know, just keep cleaning your hands. This will help prevent you from getting the coronavirus. It's not a fail-safe that you will not get it, but it's an extra step to make sure and to help you to keep from getting it. Because you don't know where people have been that you're in contact with every day. You have no idea. You don't know who visited them, who they visited, where they went. Money. Okay? You're handling money during the day? Forget it. You better be cleaning your hands quite a bit. Okay? You don't know where that money's been. That money could have been anywhere. So just be safe. That's all. All this is a little something extra that you can do for your family to help you combat whatever is going on. Okay. So I think I've mixed that enough. I have my little bottle. Okay. All right. Bottle's there. Nice. I dried it out. This funnel was my wife's in her drawer. It fit in this bottle perfect. I couldn't believe it. All right. Now, pick up your stuff. Be careful. Pour it in slowly. Just so that you don't drop it all over the place. That's all. Okay. Now I have that out. I put this in. Shake it up. Okay. It almost filled the bottle. There's plenty of it. Okay. My wife went ahead and made this for me so that we know that this is the hand sanitizer. So I got a little clear tape. We're going to go all out. Yeah. Oh, did you see that? Okay. Now we made the hand sanitizer. Okay? The hand sanitizer, homemade, it'll work. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Wow. That feels really good. Smells good. Wow. Personally, I tell you, I don't like hand sanitizer. But this really worked out really well. I really like it. I may make my own from now on. All right. I hope this helps you. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Like I said, this is not the normal video that I do. But being what happened today, that I couldn't buy any in the store, and my wife wanted some, now she has some. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you on the next one.